Loop. Now, if their hair is long, you don't have to worry about the loop, but you take the loop, pull the hair through. Then you twist. Bring it under. Tight. Keep it taut that way. Keep your finger there. And I'll split a little bit.
It's getting hot in
A
here.
little product. Okay, I can turn it on. A little bit of product. And try to pull it down. This always go behind. And just take your time, because you want it done right, so you don't have to be bunching up.
Okay. I think I put two. And then what do I do with this?
Yeah, you keep going, and then you split it now. Split the red hair, yeah.
The one in the middle?
Yeah, and add it to that. But you're gonna need gel up full too. You let it too loose.
That's the thing.
And while you practicing, you're not worried about too much gel. And then you take the brown hair and just push it behind the red hair when you come over. Put it in the back, yeah. Always push it in the back, yep. So you take a little bit of gel. You see how I kept these fingers closed? No sure.
This one goes to the middle.
Yeah.
Right back. Oh, there you go.
You got it. That looks good. It don't look bunchy. You excited? And you can split.
Oh, split?
Yeah, take a little bit out of the horseshoe, other side.
There.
Yeah. Take a little bit out of there, stick it under your thumb. Yeah, now keep going. I'll tell you when to split.
Okay. Can I explain how I did it down here?
Yeah,
Is that one was easy?
you just split.
Right now?
No, not now. You gotta split with the braid hair, not the natural
No.
hair. Okay, split now. Put it under your thumb. Not that part. Yeah.
This one.
Yes. All right. Yeah, that's looking good. Oh yeah, look at you.
Yes.
Now you might need some gel. And anytime you stop, you always stop where it's holding taut. Holding tight. And let your other fingers relax. They don't have to hold the hair while you're doing that. Yeah, let it go. Let it go.
Let it go like the song.
Let it go. Use your. Oof. She don't know how to let them fingers go.
Okay.
Let it go, girl. A little bit of gel there. So that little piece won't poke out for you. Smooth it in. Yeah. That's looking good. Yep. Grab it with the 2 fingers. Yeah. I know. Don't twist. I'll tell you when to split because you got to split in a second. Okay, split now. Yeah. Yep, that's good, Kayla.
No, now I created
Yep.
a thing.
Just smooth it out and keep going. Need a little bit of gel. Yep. That looks good.
I'm trying to realize my fingers, but they want to come
Yeah,
in.
you can pause right here and just shake your hand. All right, now switch hands and take another pause. All right. That's looking good. Nice and clean. That's good.
Can your fingers be messed up after a few years of braiding?
Yes. So you have to make sure you braid right. Because braiding wrong, you can have arthritis, carpal tunnel. You're too young and pretty for that. So you want to keep practicing the right way.
Mhm.
And if the girl you watch on YouTube, if she do like one-on-one, where's she at? In Puerto Rico?
She in Puerto Rico.
Yeah.
Can't travel there.
Yeah, because it's gonna. She probably could give you some pointers too, but something, where you're holding your hand is pulling it with all fingers. That's not gonna be good.